up, YouTube? It's Port City UA6. Alright, today we have some things we can do today. So, first of all, gotta go to work. When we get off work, me and the co-workers plan on going to the car wash the cars up. Because last time we went to car wash, like literally the day after it started raining. So now we all have like water spots and all that. Nasty. Anyways, so after the car wash, we're probably gonna head to a local car meet at Happy Lemon. It's gonna be starting at 7:30. I heard there's gonna be maybe half of the car lot filled. We'll see when we get there. For now, I'll see you guys when we get off of work, 6:30. But let's do a little cold start. I know it's not gonna be that loud.
Walked away easily, I guess sometimes. I was like,
Yep, not so loud as it used to be. Oh shit. Not so loud as it used to be back then. I like it more quiet, more subtle. Alright. See you guys when we get off work. What up, YouTube? We just got off work. Gonna head to the car wash right now. Man, work is tiring on a Friday, especially the last day, but you gotta do what you gotta do to push through the week. Anyways, I'll see you guys at the car wash. Just pulled up to the wash. Got RSX over there. Brandon's M3. Sir, real deal. About to wash these cars, head to the meet. Quick lesson. Never use this brush right here. This will mess up your paint. You always gotta go with the wash mitt. Wash mitt is good to clean the car. Do not use that brush right there. Alright, got our stuff. Let's get right in. See you guys when the wash is done. Car's all washed. Now time to dry it. Now let's dry it. Car's all clean, all dry. Just waiting for Brandon to finish up with his. got to the meet.
Oh, Banu. Oh, okay.
Kind of dry right now.
Are you pulling up with is your crew coming? I see
Brandon's M3. Chief New Era. Got a Z over here.